Hi. Today, I'm starting Black Blizzard. This marks the beginning of my 2,000-year journey. Oh, Black Blizzard's not much true, I agree. Holy shit. Oh my god. What? 40 to 100, that's a fluke. That's my first time at 63 and 40, what? I nearly died to 98, that was so close. I had 63 and 98 and I thought, yup, I'm dying at 98, okay.
Yeah, funny thing is, the way you described it, that's exactly how I did it the first time as well. Before I had the level in even 3 runs, I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna play from 24. I hadn't even gotten to 24 at that point yet, right? Yeah. And then once again, the whole magic happened. The first time I literally got the 40, I did it to 100, and I was like, what the fuck is this? So then I had it in 3 runs, but I still hadn't gotten to the second cube. Like, Black Blizzard was such a surreal experience. It was so weird.
And then beat Black Blizzard? I'm considering that option, maybe. Problem is that that's the easy half, so I know.
What? No way. He's gonna die to the blue thingies. No way. The blue orb.
Oh, I died before the blue orb. Sad smiley. I've actually clicked before.
Lamau.
I am suck. I am so bad. Nice. Oh my god, no! I know you fluked the entire thing. Dang it, dude. It's so unlucky. Dang it. No, what the f- No! No! The 24 and 98. Nice. Alright, 24 to 100. For real this time. Alright, guys. Alright, that's funny. I did the run finally. That's funny. Alright, nice. I did the run after 24.98. No! Dang it, dude. No! I clicked it too late. Oh, dang it, dude. Nice. Fuck, that's such a throw. Dang it, that was a throw. I threw that so badly. Damn it, but it's fine. 56. We're progressing. That was a huge throw, but it's fine. Dude, I remember speaking to Ackley's and he had the worst, biggest L opinion ever. He said, we're talking about memory demons, right? While I was playing Limbo. And we got to super probability level, eventually. And he said, super probability level is like top 30. And he justified it by saying it has hard timings and it's memory. Oh, 73. Holy shit. 73. That was a throw, but it's fine. Okay, 73.
Me when I'm gonna fluke the duel.
Dude, right? I don't know if my plan was to fluke to the robot, but okay, I guess. Okay. I'm going, but I kind of want to wait for the, I want for the alert to come in. I'm actually going, alright, because the alert of the raid will come in literally a minute late, so I kind of just want to wait for that, so... Hey guys, hello guys, how has it been? Actually, let's go, fuck it. No! No, I got fake death. Come on. Ah! Oh, I double. So right here, I click once because I thought it was too low here. Not too low, but I click once here, and I click a second time here, losing all my momentum. So then this part became impossible. No, what the fuck? What? What? Dude, what happened there? I thought I clicked. What? What the fuck was that? No! Made club step, yeah. You made club step, so like that. I don't know if you made a mistake there in your typo maybe, but I don't think you made club step, I'm just saying. Oh, you collabed with Rob Top. The mega collab club step. The end, oh. Like, does the 89 ship count? Because if you made that, I hate you. If you made the 89 ship, I hate you so much. No, why'd you do that? That ship's top 0, why'd you do that? I hate you so much. I remember when I was trying to beat club step, I died there a million times. I hate you. No, what did I die to? Oh my god, no, what? What happened? What? Level request fine, I'll do it because you're blue ski. Only because you're blue ski, I'll do it. I'm assuming it's a Z, kind of like, the X is a Z kind of, because it's quirky, I'm assuming it. Ha 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 ha, you're so funny. I knew you're the guy who made 89% in club step, but still, to be fair, I should have saw that coming. I should have seen that coming. What the, oh my god, I'm never clear. I'm never clear. JT never clear. JT never clear.
No. You're gonna accept this death and accept it as the fact that you got to the got past the first part of the drop.
I did.
You are gonna accept it.
Yeah, I'm gonna accept it that I got past I got to the drop 3 times in 10 minutes. This is a dub actually. This is actually a huge dub. Yes, I'm gonna go to W. Huge W.
Go off.
Okay, now I just need to do this from 0.
If you die at 98, I will not buy you that new kangaroo. I will not get you that second kangaroo. Don't do it for the kangaroo.
For the kangaroo.
Absolutely.
For the kangaroo! Let's go! Kangaroo power. 24 to 100 times 4 now. And then at 4 times, okay.
Oh my god.
What the fuck happened, dude? Oh, twice now.
What is Black Blizzard?
I went under the portal. What the heck? I went under it. No, what the fuck? No, I threw. I actually just did that. No way. No shot. I actually just did that. Oh my god. I had no nerves. I could have been that. I could have actually been it. I could have been that. I had no nerves. What the? Oh my god. Please. No, what the f- I'm done. I'm going. I'm done. What? What? I buffered it. What? What the f- What just happened? What? What is that? I buffered it! There's no way I actually let go. I know I buffered. There's no way I let go too early. Because it went green, but... You've gotta be fucking with me. I actually let go too early. What is that death? Look at this, look at this. Oh my god. What is that? Dude, I'm actually gonna punch a hole in my monitor. Why is that thing that happened to me? That's actually like that's the most brain dead death I've ever seen in the entire game. What was that? I got past the impossible robot.
That blew up at like 91. That just does not.
Let's go! Yes! 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 Oh my god, I did it! Yes! Oh, I beat it somehow. Yes! Holy shit! I beat it! Oh my god! I beat it finally! Oh my god, I was so unlucky! Yes! Oh my god, I beat it! New hardest GG. Oh, I didn't die 98, thank god. Oh my god. Okay, this level's good, but I got so unlucky. 17,083. I fucking beat it. I'm so bad.